Hey Sarah, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So we're going to go over your question here. You were asking how to set up the button to send somebody to another website. Let me see. Let me read over your question here just to make sure that was it. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So here's your opt-in button here. Okay, so here for your opt-in, obviously, I'm not sure exactly what button you wanted to set up. To go to another website. So I'm just going to go over the basics real quick. All right, so your submit button, you need to have like your email you already have here. So there's a couple components that are necessary for an opt-in to be processed. Okay, the email input field has to be set here like you have it, and then your button here for your opt-ins are set to submit. Right? Okay, now if you're on some other page, you want a button to go somewhere else that is not an opt-in, right? You just come down here and it says go to website URL, and right there. So whatever your website URL that you want it to go to, you can set it to go here. Now, there is also another way. So if you want this button, so once they submit the opt-in, okay, if you want it to go, when they click submit my opt-in, if you want the page to redirect to another website, you can do that up here. Give me a sec here. Go to general. All right, on submit, go to, right? So the button here has to be set to submit, order, submit form, okay? And then you can set your redirect right here. Okay, so now at the moment they click submit, it will submit the data, the name, and the opt-in to the funnel and any other integration. Let me see here. So if you have like an autoresponder or a list you're adding the opt-ins to, you would add that here. So at the moment they click submit, the contacts and name here are going to be saved into your funnel and also to an autoresponder if you had it. And then it would, as long as this was set to go somewhere else, at that moment they hit submit, it would go to that website. All right, so it would submit, it would process the page, it would take a few seconds to load the page, and then it would go through the links, and then it would redirect to whatever website URL you placed here. Okay, just keep in mind, whenever you're pasting a link in a settings area, which is all these areas in any element or anything, whenever it pops up here on the right side of the page like this, you need to press Control V. All right, V is in Victor. Okay, so you can go ahead and copy something with your mouse, but when it comes to pasting it here and in majority of the elements as well, you need to hit Control V. It's just a good habit whenever you're in ClickFunnels, just hit Control V to paste it. All right. Once you paste it, go ahead and hit save, and you'll be good to go, and then you can go ahead and test it. All right. Go into a live preview mode. Go ahead and do an opt-in, and then go ahead and click your button. All right, to opt in the information or to submit the information, and go ahead and watch the links. You'll see the links change up here, and it will redirect over to the website. Okay. All right. Thanks.